my name is Alice Meredith. Welcome to my course, Establishing Goals, Roles, and Guidelines for a Team. I am a business professional and have over 27 years of leadership experience in executive business management and human resource capacities. In this course, we'll be reviewing the importance of setting goals, identifying and clarifying role responsibilities, and building guidelines. All three of these are essential foundational pieces for a team's success. Goals focus our energy in a positive direction. They motivate us and our teams for higher accomplishment and success. A team without well-defined and clear goals will most often struggle in hitting their objectives. Strategic goal setting is essential to ensure a team's success. I'll then review best practices on how to establish clear roles and responsibilities for your team members. Role clarity is imperative to ensure each employee on our team clearly understands their responsibilities. Role clarity supports a leader's confidence in performance management when it's needed. I'll also share best practices on talent selection to ensure you identify the right candidate for each role on your team. Then we will learn the value of establishing guidelines for your team to ensure all team members work within a framework of respect and understanding towards each other. I'll share valuable communication tools for you, the leader, as a leader's ability to communicate effectively is a necessary ingredient of success. And last but not least, in this course, we will review tools to help leaders get their team back on track if they've gotten off course. All teams struggle at times, and a leader's ability to course correct when things go awry is imperative for team achievement. By the end of this course, you'll have learned important skills to better lead your team to improve performance. I invite you to join me on this journey of learning in Pluralsight's course, Establishing Goals, Roles, and Guidelines for a Team. Remember, leaders are always learning. As we learn and grow as leaders, we'll be more prepared to elevate and support our teams for greater success.